ActCAD, the most economical Indian software. ActCAD is a 2D drafting and 3D modeling software. It is a native DWG and DXF software under which it offers three specific types of CAD softwares, namely ActCAD Standard for 2D drafting power users, ActCAD Professional for 2D drafting and 3D modeling, and ActCAD BIM, which has all the features of ActCAD Professional along with BIM features. It is the one software for many applications covering the primary domains of architecture, engineering, construction including structural, electrical and mechanical. Beside all of these, it also offers other solutions like ActCAD Nesting, ActCAD MEP, ActCAD Dials and Scales and ActCAD CNC. Normally, ActCAD offers three types of licensing facilities: key-based, dongle-based and network floating license. Along with the regular commands like line, circle, rectangle, edit menu commands, draw menu commands, we offer some add-on module in which various features are implemented. ActCAD Converter. Here you can convert a single file or multiple files at a time. Select the file you need to convert and click on Open. Then specify the conversion version either in DXF, DWG, DZN file types of various versions and click on Finish. Then the following file is successfully converted. Now we can see the following DWG file is converted into the DXF file format. PDF to DXF converter. In this feature, select the input PDF file and click on Open. Then in the options, you can change the characters as strings, curves. You can change the properties of these options. And if you want to ignore the text, ignore the images, also it is possible by single click by enabling that options. And in the page, you can set the page values, the font styles, and if you want to the PDF from one page, particular page to one particular page, it is also possible with the convert range option. If you want to add some more font styles in the PDF, is also possible by using the options. And the scaling options, object options and the attribute options are also available in the DXF. And after modifying all the values, just click on OK and click Convert to convert that PDF file into the DXF file format. See, the file is converted successfully. Now you can see the following PDF file which we selected is converted into the DXF file format in the same folder. Raster to vector. In this feature, you can convert an image into a drawing file. Click on Freeware and select the image you want to convert and click on Open. Now the following image is inserted into the software. And with the one-touch vectorization, the following image is converted into the vector file format. And you can also perform the operations like erase, crop, etc. to that image. With this feature, we can convert the image into a DXF file format so that we can open the DXF file format in the software to perform the operations. Therefore, it saves a lot of time for the manual drawings of an image in the software. You can save the output as you wish. Not only the drawing file, you can also save in many file formats. These are the file formats which we can save, either DXF, WMF, EMF, PDF, .csv files, and select the file format you want and click on Save. Then the following raster image is converted and saved in the specified file format. Now you can see the following PNG image is converted into the DXF file format. ActCAD block library. These are the following files which are inbuilt in the software. Double click on a folder below to get files. After selecting the folder, here it is displaying the number of files is available in that particular folder. Just double click on that block to insert in the software. After double clicking on it, it is asking for the insertion point for block. Just select the insertion point, X scale factor and the rotation angle for the block. Then you can see the following block is inserted into the software. The one more benefit of this feature is that you can add your own blocks by clicking on Add Your Blocks. Unit Converter. In this feature, you can convert from any unit to any other unit. For example, I am selecting the distance and I want to convert from inch to any other unit. By simply selecting, I am giving the input as a 5. See, directly I get the details like a conversion of inch to mile. Likewise, you can convert from any unit to any other unit. These are the units which are inbuilt in the software. Therefore, it saves a lot of time to convert manually or by using calculators. By going outside the software, we can convert directly in the software itself. Audit drawings. In this feature, you can fix any errors in the drawing. You can select the folder you need to audit, then it fixes the errors in the drawing one by one automatically. It can fix the internal errors like unwanted lines due to overlapping entities. Dimensions are cleaned automatically. What are the CAD files or the errors developed due to the overlapping entities are removed completely by using the audit drawing feature. After completing the audit drawing process, you can see the converted folder which are free from the errors. So what are the files which are present in the converted folder is free from the errors. Extract block attributes. These are the following templates which are inbuilt in the software. Select any of the template and click on OK. In this feature, you can add your own text styles, company logo and own title block in the templates. This is the enhanced block editor. Before you can edit the block attributes, you can use it as your own. If you want to extract the attributes which are present in the block, just click on the extract block attribute and select a block. Give the file name and click on save to save that attributes in the CSV format. Now you can see the following attributes which are present in the block is saved in a CSV file format. Import CSV points. Select the file you want and click on OK. In this feature, we can import a CSV file of point numbers X, Y, Z into our CAD platform and create them as points or attribute blocks. Instead of modifying the values in the Excel, we can directly edit over here. Import CSV text. Select the file you want to save and click on OK. Not only the points, you can also import a CSV text file into the software. You can also edit the text directly in the software. Change numeric text values. It is the future where we can perform all the arithmetic operations on numeric text like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, I am selecting the addition and giving the increment value as 100 and clicking on OK. By giving a simple click on the numeric text, the following numeric value is changed. Similarly, you can also perform the operations like subtraction, multiplication and division. Capture CAD points to CSV. By using this feature, we can export the XYZ coordinates of different points inserted in the software to the CSV file format. Click on the icon and save the file with the required name. Enter the point start number and select the point by giving the text height and the rotation angle, and keep on selecting the points, and if you want to stop, just click enter. Now you can see the coordinates of the particular points are exported in the CSV file format. P&ID label text. Select the P&ID label text, pick a first and second point of the pipe, then the dialog box is appeared. Now in the dialog box, fill the details like material, diameter and the thickness of that pipe. So after giving all the values, just click on OK. Now you can see the following pipe is displayed in the interface with the given information. This feature is useful for the site engineers for better understanding of what type of material and with what diameter is used to construct these pipes in the site with the help of design. Calculator. This is the feature where you can perform all the calculations of the design in the software itself without going outside the software for any other applications or by calculating manually. It provides many options like standard, scientific, graphing, programming and the date calculation as well. Apart from all these, the converter options is also available in the calculator. License transfer. If you want to use the software in the new PC, by uninstalling the software in the old PC due to some reasons, just double click on the license transfer and the key which is activated is released from that PC so that you can activate the software in the new PC. LH sections. Click on LH sections, enter the values like position of chainage, GL, scale factors and click on submit values. Select the CSV file you want and click on open. Then it displays the warning that 10 size is too high, suggested 1. Click on yes. Now the longitudinal and horizontal section is imported in the software as you can see. PCD Import. Click on PCD Import, select the file and click on open. With one click, all points data will be imported into the software with points created at respective 3D locations and stored in respective layers as mentioned in the point cloud data file. You can import almost 1 lakh points at a time using this feature. This is the one more excellent feature in our software in which you can browse and select any point cloud data file. Open PDF and edit. Select the PDF and click on open. By using this feature, you can open the PDF and edit the entities or attributes like delete, copy, move and edit present in the PDF. You can also save the following PDF in a DWG or DXF format. Numbered markers. This feature allows creating the numbered or alphabetical markers with some different shapes and key product characteristics in a very easy way by keep on selecting on the interface. In the numbered markers dialog box, you can also specify the different properties like text height, text color, shape scale and the shape color. And after specifying all the values, click on start to execute the process. Hole table. This is the feature where you can get the details like radius, XYZ coordinates of the different holes. For example, create some circles with a different radius. Click on hole table. In the dialog box, you can get the data for all holes or for the selected holes. You can also select the coordinate type either rectangular or polar. After selecting, click on create. Enter the text height and specify a point for the origin and to create a hole table. Here you can see the y coordinate, x coordinate and the radius of the different circles directly displayed in the software in the table format. Export text. Click on Export text. In the dialog box, you can export the text for the selected one or for all the text. Select the required one, either CSV or the table or both, and click on Create. Specify the file name and click on Save. Now you can see the following text present in the software is exported to the CSV file format. Table Export. Select the table you want to export and click on Table Export. Specify the file name and click on Save. Now you can see the following table is exported into a CSV file.